Best of Gangtok, Pelling and Darjeeling. In this tour plan, we will have 3 nights in Gangtok, 1 night in Pelling and 2 nights in Darjeeling. And in this itinerary, we will also cover the Char Dham Mandir of Namchi. So let's start. Day 1 of the trip will be your arrival at Bagdogra Airport or NJP railway station. We will pick up from there and take you to Gangtok, which is around 125 kilometers and will take 4 to 5 hours. And after reaching Gangtok, check in into the hotel and later you can walk to the famous MG market of Gangtok by your own. Day 2. Today, after the breakfast, we will go for a full day excursion to the beautiful Shongo Lake and Baba Harbhajan Singh Mandir. Shongo Lake is 40 kilometers from Gangtok and this 1 kilometer long oval shaped lake is situated at an altitude of 12,300 feet from the sea level. Baba Mandir is 16 kilometers ahead of Shongo Lake and dedicated to Baba Harbhajan Singh, who was an Indian soldier. Although Harbhajan Singh is no more, but other soldiers believe that his spirit is still alive and protecting them in this very difficult terrain. You can also cover Nathula Pass today, which is an Indo-China border, but visiting Nathula Pass will be on extra payment basis and it depends on the weather condition and the permit availability. Day 3. Today after breakfast we will go for a full day sightseeing of Gangtok. We will cover around 10 sightseeing points. First is Tashi Viewpoint, which is famous for the stunning Himalayan views. Ganesh Tok. Tok means temple and this Lord Ganesh temple is very close to Tashi Viewpoint. Ganesh Tok have view lounge and a circular balcony to witness the beautiful view of the Gangtok and the surrounded areas. Hanuman Tok. More than a Hanuman Mandir, this is famous for its spectacular views of Kanchenjunga Himalayan range. Bhaktang Waterfall. In this beautiful roadside waterfall, you can click pictures and enjoy rope sliding activity. Inche Monastery. Near to the Gangtok TV tower, we will visit this 200-year-old beautiful and colorful monastery. Flower Exhibition Center, which showcases flowers from the different parts of Sikkim together under a single roof. Handicraft Center, where we can see the handicrafts of Sikkim. Chovertain Stupa, Institute of Tibetology, Gangtok Ropeway. Experience this 1 kilometer long cable car ride and witness the beautiful views of Himalaya and Gangtok town. Post sightseeing, return to the Gangtok hotel for an overnight stay. Day 4. Today, check out from Gangtok hotel and we will move towards Pelling. En route, we will cover Siddheshwar Dham, which is known as Char Dham Mandir, and it's around 84 kilometers and will take 3 hours to reach, because it has the beautiful replicas of all 4 dhams of India: Badrinath, Dwarka, Rameshwaram and Puri. Here you can also see the all 12 Jyotirlingas of India. Post that, we will move towards Pelling, checking into the hotel for an overnight stay. Day 5. Today we will cover the half-day sightseeing of Pelling, which includes Glass Bridge Skywalk. This is India's first ever skywalk, and from this transparent foot-over bridge, you can view the stunning Himalayan ranges and the beautiful valleys. Helipad Viewpoint. The helipad is about the best viewpoint around with almost 360-degree views. Pemyangste Monastery. Being around 300 years old, it is a must-visit place as it offers the reflection of rich architecture and unwavering faith of the Buddhist followers. Rabdanste Ruins. The view of the entire valley below the Kanchenjunga peak from the Rabdanste ruins are absolutely spectacular and should not be missed. After covering Pelling sightseeing, we will move towards Darjeeling, which is 75 kilometers and will take around 3 to 4 hours. Overnight stay at Darjeeling Hotel. Day 6. Today we will cover Tiger Hill Sunrise Point and Darjeeling sightseeing. First, we will go to witness the stunning sunrise from Tiger Hill, and for that we will have to start early in the morning at around 4 am. You can have the lifetime experience to see the sunrise just behind the Kanchenjunga Himalayan range. After Tiger Hill, we will cover Ghum Monastery, which is one of the oldest Tibetan Buddhist monasteries in Darjeeling, which was built in 1850. Batasia Loop. From here you can have the 360-degree view of Darjeeling and the Himalayan mountain ranges. And now we will come back to the hotel and have breakfast. At around 9:30 am we will start the sightseeing of Darjeeling, which includes Japanese Temple and Peace Pagoda, which showcases 4 avatars of Lord Buddha. You can also get the panoramic views of Darjeeling and Kanchenjunga range from here. Ava Art Gallery. Darjeeling Zoo. This is where you can actually see some of the high altitude amazing Himalayan animals, and some of them are rarely seen anywhere else in the world. Himalayan Mountaineering Institute. Darjeeling Ropeway. This cable car is one of the best ways to experience the panoramic views that Darjeeling is famous for. Tenzing Gompo Rock. A gigantic natural rock in Darjeeling is named after Tenzing Norgay, the man who created the history by climbing the Mount Everest first time along with Edmund Hillary in 1953. Tibetan Refugees Self-Help Center. The place initially provided emergency relief to Tibetan refugees and now became one of the best handicraft centers in this area. Post covering all these sightseeing, we will return back to the Darjeeling Hotel for an overnight stay. Day 7. And today post breakfast we will proceed to the airport or railway station, and en route we will visit Kurseong, which is a very small, peaceful and beautiful hill town near to Darjeeling. You can view the tea gardens here and you can do shopping of Darjeeling Chai Patti. And now this memorable tour will be end here. For any query or to book this package, you can call or WhatsApp us in the given number. Packages are starts from 16,998 per person. So book now. A big thank you from Tripscart Holidays.